Hi guys, welcome to class. So in today's class, we are going to learn how to put this trendy elastic band. So this is my trouser. I finished making it. So I've already gone out to cut out my elastic. This is 1 inch elastic, and I cut out the elastic is your waist. You now minus 10 inches. That's how you will get your elastic. Your waist, the width of your waist minus 10 inches. So this is it, and so this is my fabric. So what I want to do now, you are going to take your tape rule. You're going to measure the waist round. So I'm starting from the center front. So I'll just measure it. Don't make sure you don't drag it. You just measure it round. That's what I'm doing now. So that's what you are going to do. So this is 41. I want my band to be 1.5 inch on fold, so 4 inches. By the time I fold it, it is 2 inches. So by the time I remove half, I'll use half inch to sew it on both sides. So it will give me the 1.5 that I need. So I'm not going to measure my 41 inch. 41 divided by 2. So this is on foot. So I'm going to measure that's 20.5. So you're just going to measure your 20.5. Can you see it? This 20.5. So I'm left with 0.25 inch. Do you understand? So I'm going to go to the machine and stitch it by 0.25 inch. So I will close it up by 0.25 inch. After elastic too, I'm going to hold it like this. Look at what I'm doing. And stitch it and close it. I'll make sure I burn this place with lighter. So I'll burn it here, then I'll stitch it around. I'll come and show you. So now I decided to come to the machine so that you see very well. So I've closed this up too, and I've also, can you see it? So now you're not going to open up and fold it like this. So this is how it will be. So as you fold it like this, you're going to take your elastic. You folded it. Folded it. So you're going to put it inside like this. Hmm? You're now going to take your trouser. You start from the center back. Open it up. Open it this place up like this. So you're now going to take your band, place it like this, and start fixing it, sewing it by 0.5 inch. Can you see it? So put it, make sure you push your elastic band inside. So this is how it looks. So when you are done now, you can trim it out, then weave it around. So I want to weave it now. Come and top stitch on it. So the next thing you want to do now, this is how it looks. So place it on your machine. First of all, stitch on the edge. The elastic might not be there. Just stitch it by 0.5. So now this is the first one. It's already given the shape. So you cannot go ahead and do two more. You cannot go ahead and do one here, and you're done with it. And so this is how it looks. So see, that's how beautiful it looks. So if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care.